My name is Annie Duncan, and I am a pastor here at Bell Press, the executive pastor. At SPU, seminary for me just helped develop some of those theological roots that I didn't have before. I knew who Jesus was, I knew that that's who I believed in, but to really understand church history and different theological terms and how that can play into how I relate with parishioners, and that was just so valuable. Within the AAA model, you have all of the trifecta of what should be happening at every seminary. And because SPU is kind of calling it out, or SPS is calling it out and saying these are our values and these are the things that are important, just goes to show you the foundation of what they're trying to build within their seminary. And I think in other seminaries, you might see that they have one that they're really strong at, like the academy, and they don't equip people with community or sending them out. But at SPU, they're trying to do all three of those things, and I think that's important because you can't be a pastor that is all up here, and you can't be a pastor that's just relational all the time. But you need all three of those